Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make decorative border to image in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make decorative border to an image. Firstly, insert an image. Go to the blank page. Then we go to the tool section and find and select the place tool. Then click it. Then choose picture from our file and insert a picture. Now I select this picture and click open. Then place this picture to this page. Now we want to add decorative border to this image. Select this image and select the stroke option, and you can see here many color. You can choose any color. Now I select this color and click the wide option and increase the wide. Then select this dash line option, otherwise you can use this brush line, picture line. Now I select this dash line and use the cap. You can change another option. Now I select the wide option and decrease the wide, otherwise increase the wide. Then click outside of the image. Now we can see we added a decorative border to an image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.